Hello, trading is closed on October 17th, 2017. Yesterday I said we had lower targets, but they weren't really much lower. MEJT target was 25.5373. The low missed by less than a point. Missing by less than a point doesn't seem like much, but it's outside the tolerance of the system. So we call this a miss and add it to our list. During the day, MEJT got some sell signals early. The drop happened. The system called it false and said after this time we'd return to this red line, which we did. The afternoon gave some sells, but the target was hit immediately and there's support under the target. No new signals for tomorrow. Well, we don't have a clear signal for tomorrow. Let's just go over a few things. We have a pattern which typically hits an early high, has a strong tendency to rally into the close. It's negative if that does not happen. And when it fails, it tends to be a straight line move down. We rallied all day long, couldn't close over this high. I don't know how much to make of that, but I did miss a bar on my DeMark count. Here's your combo cell. Here's bar number 12 of the sequential cell. Futures have already hit a new high, and the last bar, number 13, can complete early. The odds are pretty strong we're going to print that number 13 tomorrow, and even if we don't, you don't have to go to completion on any of these. So according to DeMark's work, we're quite overextended. They've given a lot of failed signals on this rally. So without more evidence, I'm hard pressed to bet money on it. But while we've been hitting all these new highs in the industrials and the SPX, transports have been dropping, which is divergence of sorts, and we've actually dropped under this low. We're at a point where if a big drop starts, it's quite credible, but it hasn't started yet. That's where we stand. I don't have a strong signal for tomorrow, but we're quite overextended here. This is a very grudging advance. There's already been a reversal in the transports, and I think we're probably not too far away from the end of this week rally attempt. But until that happens, it's hard to bet money on the short side. We'll just make note of where we are in the DeMark count, and be on the alert that if a drop happens, we believe it. And that's today's call.